Good morning, students. Today, in this class, we are going to understand the new chapter that is called data handling. For data handling, you must know about data, organizing data, central tendency, a range of the data, etc. That these terms are related to the data handling. So, take a look at this. Students, the first thing is data. The information in the form of in the form of the information in the form of numbers or numerals is called data. The second thing is organizing data. It means organization of data, how we can organize the data. The representation of data in some specific manner or arrangement is called organizing data. Now there is a term array related to organizing data. If you write the data in ascending order or given information in ascending order, that is called array. Ascending or descending order, whatever be the way. The arrangement of data in ascending or descending order is called an array. Suppose there are 10 students in the class and they got marks in 15 out of 15, 12, 15, 9, 8, 7, 13, 11, 10 and 14 and 8. These are the marks achieved by the students out of 15. Number of students are 10. If we arrange these marks in ascending or descending order, then it is called an array. Now you can see these marks are arranged in ascending order from lesser to higher. Then it is an array. And this is the organization of data in a specific manner, that is in ascending order. We can also write these numbers in descending order. This is also called array. Now we have to talk about range, a range of data. What do you mean by the range of data? Range of data is defined as highest observation minus lowest observation. Here you can see in this data, the range will be, the highest is 15 and the lowest is 7. So the range of the data is 8. So this is the way to find out the range of data. Now we have to talk about the central tendency. Central tendency are those facts which says about the characteristic of the data, and these are mean or arithmetic mean. You can also say that arithmetic mean, the second one is median, and the third one is mode. And today we are going to talk about only mean in this class, that is called arithmetic mean. Okay, students, now we are going to talk about arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean means what? Arithmetic mean means simply sum of observations, all observations, we can say that, all observations by the number of observations. Okay, this is the way, this is the formula to find out the arithmetic mean. Now students, here the weights of 10 students in KG are given, and we have to find out the mean weight of the students of the class, mean weight of the students of the class. So for mean weight we have to write mean weight equal to sum of weights of 10 students by 10, because there the number of students is 10. So we have to, it means the number of observations is 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The total number of observation is 10. So we have to find out the mean weight by this formula. That is the sum of all observations by number of observations. Sum of all observations means this type: 43.5 plus 49.5 plus 52 plus 43 plus 47 plus 44.5 plus 38.5 plus 40 plus 47 plus 38. These are the 10 weights by the number of observation is 10. And we have to add all these weights. How? We have to add simply writing in column method: 43.5, 49.5, 52, 43, 47, 44.5, 38.5, 40, 47 and 38. When we add these all things, these all numbers, then we will get 0, 3, and then 44. Okay, so the total sum is 443 by 10. If you divide this by, we will get 44.3 kg. So this is the mean weight of the given observations or given data. Students, this is the simple way to find out the mean of the data. Okay. So students, this is the method to find out the mean of the given observations. And you can also watch me on my YouTube channel, Ocean of Maths. Thank you. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.